You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Karule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
Parliamentary Committee on Education is already rotten. Those members must be replaced because it seems they are sleeping on duty. We cannot have an effective education system and sector when parliamentarians who sit on the parliament, on the Parliamentary Committee on Education, and they are keeping quiet. Where are you? Where are you, Parliament? I expect my sister, Right Honorable Among, and the Deputy Speaker, young people, youth like us, must be able to work together to understand the dynamics of education transformation towards 2050. Do they understand this? If they do not understand this, they must focus on bringing us so that we teach them, bringing 100 years, how it will look like. Then we draw those dynamics near to them. We are talking about competency-based curriculum. We are talking about skills development, 21st century competency development. Do you know who are there? Other countries are really investing half of their national budgets shaping education of the future. Where is Uganda on the table? It's no longer access to education. It is more to do with now sustainable educational framework to make schools transform, to be able to graduate students who graduate with jobs, who graduate with competencies like integrity, communication skills, taking initiative, innovations, entrepreneurship, making drugs, making medicine from locally available materials, using the locally available materials to manufacture cars, phones, making clothes, so that we end now the issue of dependency syndrome and depending on imports. So when you talk about the economy is produced by the quality of education you have. If you want enough tax to build your roads and hospitals and all these things you are putting in the budget, it's education you must talk and fix education facts. So schools, stop lying us to make education look like, you come to a beautiful school. Who told you that agriculture is still being taught in a classroom? Are you mad? We are talking about teaching agriculture, taking students in the farm, in the garden, so that they understand how modern agriculture and technology is being used. How to harvest, crops and put value on them and now take to the market, to the supermarkets. So this is what we call modern education. It's no longer studying and cramming. When was Napoleon born? Where was he buried? Does that bring food on the table? How does that transform the economy of Uganda? So we got to radically transform education and give the right people the positions in the Ministry of Education to make sure we have the right teachers in the classroom, the right managers in schools, so that now we fix the education framework to become the engine of our socio-economic transformation. But we need people who understand the dynamics of 100 years from now and draw that closer to the teachers, to the schools, to the students, to be able to walk in their dreams and the future dynamics.